So here we are in the snow on our snow day for Winston's Maths. Now today we're going to do some measuring of speed. Normally you do this in secondary school. Hey, we're going to do it today. And we're going to measure the speed of our sledging. The contest is on. Here's what you need to do. Step 1, you need to make sure you can take a ½ metre step. We're not going to go measuring the ski slopes with rulers. That would be very inefficient. But we are going to measure the ski slopes with our footsteps. So we need a tape measure. It's my snail. And I need to know how big a ½ metre or 50 centimetre step would be. Then I need to practice. So here's 50 centimetres from here to here, and I just need to get the feel of putting one foot on 50 centimetres, one foot on 0, and that for me is quite a large footstep. Once you've done that, we need to hit the ski slopes. Here we go! Here we are at our sledging field. As you can see, we've got a lovely hill that we come to for sledging, and you can see that it's perfect for this purpose. Now I am going to go down there and I'm going to time it. Well, at least the camera will time it for me. So here we go. Bear with while I get in the sled. Elegant. And I oh, did it? Get my feet in. And try and set myself going at the same time. It's filming! So can't see if I can disappear for a minute, but here. Oh, this is a good time, guys! Oh, I'm going faster than Audrey in the whiteout! I'm still going. Pyeongchang, here I come. Now, the next bit is to measure the distance. Now my footsteps, an ordinary small footstep, is ½ metre. So as I go back, I'm going to count my footsteps and work out how many metres I've just tumbled. Here we go. Oh wow, that was great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Don't forget there are 2 footsteps to a metre, so that's 10 metres already. You don't need to watch the rest. Okay, so I counted 202 steps coming back up the hill. Now, 2 steps to 1 metre. So that means that I travelled 101 metres. Well, I'll round that to 100 metres. I don't know how long it took me yet because the camera's measured my time. You need to make sure somebody measures your time as well. And then we can do the maths when we get back indoors. So here I am back home, and I've got my information, so now I can work out my speed. Now, what you will learn when you're at secondary school is that speed equals distance divided by time. and we're going to use that formula, it's called, to work out our speed. So my speed will be my distance. Well, I know that my distance was 100 metres divided by my time, which was 25 seconds, according to the camera. Now I can work that out now, and it will give me my speed in metres per second. But I don't want my speed in metres per second. I want to know kilometres per hour, like we normally talk about speed. So I'm going to have to fiddle with the numbers first. So to convert metres to kilometres, I need to divide by 1,000. So 100 divided by 1,000. Now come on, we can do that. This is what we've been doing. 0.1. 0.1 kilometres. When it comes to seconds, I know that there are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. I know that 60 times by 60, well, I know 6 times 6 is 36. It's 10 times bigger, 360, and 10 times bigger than that, 3,600. So I need to divide 25 by 3,600. Don't panic. We can use a calculator for this. And most phones have an app. So feel free to use your calculator app. And I can find out that 25 divided by 3,600 is 0.0069. I'm not going to worry about any numbers after that. That's quite small enough. And now I've got it in hours. So I know that my speed is equal to 0.1 kilometres divided by 0.0069, and that will give me kilometres per hour. Again, I'm going to use my calculator. So I can work out that 0.1 divided by 0.0069 equals, well, near enough 14 and a half. 14 and a half kilometres per hour. But I don't want to know my speed in kilometres per hour. I want to know my speed in miles per hour. So I know how fast I'm going compared to Audrey in the car. So now I want to convert my kilometres per hour to miles per hour. And in order to do that, I need to divide my number here by 1.6. Again, use a calculator. So 14 and a half divided by 1.6, and I get my miles per hour. Nine miles per hour. Is that all? I felt like I was going at about 70 miles per hour. 9 miles per hour. Well, that's me. That's my challenge. Can you beat 9 miles per hour, and can you show me the maths? Good luck.
Yeah, anytime.